Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will discuss the most commonly used query language command, the select statement. Here is the standard syntax for select statement. Notice that only the from clause is required. We will discuss the other clauses as we move with our lessons. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16. Let's be familiar with these table names: employees, jobs, job history, departments, locations, countries, regions, and job grades. Look at the employees table. It has 12 columns and a primary key of employee ID. Look at the eBEX and see if they are the same. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL Commands. Describe employees table. Click Run. They are the same. Always set rows value to the maximum. This is to make sure that we retrieved all rows in our tables. We are now ready to convert the following English statements to select statements. Number 1. Select all columns from employees table. Our statement will start with select. All columns can be represented by a star, followed by from, and the table employees. There are 12 columns and 20 rows. Well done! In number 2, we will select only employee ID and first name from employees table. Select employee ID, comma, first name from employees. Run it. Only 2 columns but still 20 rows. Next, we will display a derived column named column 1 that starts with the phrase city is, followed by a city column from locations table. Remember this: 1. A derived column is not a real column. 2. We always use single quotes for strings. And 3. The operator we can use to concatenate strings is 2 pipes. Select, single quote, city is, 2 pipes, then city column as column 1. This is the name of this derived column. From locations. Run it. We only have 1 column, which is a derived column. Last, we will select employee ID, salary, and a derived column called twice, which is twice the salary from employees table. Select employee ID, salary, salary column multiplied by 2 as twice the name of the column from employees. Run it. We have 3 columns including the derived column called twice. In our next video, we will continue discussing select statement with where. Thank you for your interest in this channel.